Enjoy. We here, folks. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ow, ow, ow. Okay, set that here. Lock her up. Alright, let's go catch some fish, shall we? There's one. Oh my God. A rock bass on a crankbait. Look at how fat that guy is. Alright. We're going for smallies. Your bigger brother. Different species, but you know what I mean. See you, bud. Oh my God, look at this carp. Oh, you guys can't see that. Holy, that was like a 50-pound carp. Not even lying. Maybe I should go carp fishing, guys. What do you think? I low-key might throw on a freaking Ned rig and try and catch one. The only downfall is I don't have a net, so I don't know how I'm gonna land one. But I might be able to get one close enough to shore for you guys to see how big these guys are. Alright, screw it. I'm gonna tie on a Ned rig and hope for the best. That's how you break the camera, folks. I apologize for my hair. It looks terrible, I know. I got it. Oh, he ate it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That thing hit the water and he ate it. No way. Dude, what the freak? Oh my God, that almost took the little rod out of my hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need to land this. Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is not even big. I don't want to hook one of those big ones. If this guy's fighting like this, literally came up and smoked it. What the freak, dude? Oh my gosh, that was sick. Okay, how am I gonna land this? Great question, Tony. I don't know. Shoot. I mean, he's pinned good. I'm not really worried about my line breaking, because this guy is like this is like a freaking baby. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep tension as I run down the stairs. Gotta bring him up and around here. Gotta bring him in here. Oh, I lost tension. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. Okay. Still got him. Still got him. I still got him. All right, how am I gonna do this here? Oh. Oh. No, my line's stuck on the damn tree. Shoot. All right, we're good. I got him. I got him. Stay here, bud. Stay here, bud. All right. If this tree wasn't in my damn way, I could do this. There's the fish, guys, in case I don't land them. But that was so freaking dope. All right, here. Can I get down here, or I'm gonna fall? Oh. Oh my God, this guy's got some power. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. That was so crazy, dude. I mean, he just came up and clobbered it. I was not expecting that whatsoever. All right, he's right here. He's tired, but the only downfall is there's nowhere for me to go down there. Literally came up and slurped it as it was sinking, dude. Okay, so I got him here. He's tired. What do I do, guys? What do I do? Great question. I don't know what you do. I don't know what I do either. Okay, okay, chill. Just wait. Okay, I think I just need to go for it, and hopefully that rock doesn't fall. And I need to get this rod around the tree. But if he takes off, there's no way I'm gonna be able to hold. There's no way I'm gonna be able to hold this guy. This tree's way too big. I don't think I can do this, guys. I think I'm kind of screwed here. And I got spiders literally crawling all over me right now. Okay, I just need to go for it because sitting here talking about it isn't gonna get anything done. I just need to land this fish. Oh, I got a vine on my foot. Okay. I got it. Alright. Got my rod. Oh, shit. I'm gonna lose my rod. My shoe came off. I got it. Please still be on. Oh, I got it, guys. Oh my god. I think I lost my keys. Oh no, I didn't. All right, I got it. Oh my god. Oh, I got spiders all over me right now. All right, guys, let's land this guy. Oh, I never thought I would get here. Okay, chill, buddy. Chill. Oh, I need to land this, but I don't know how. Oh, I'm an idiot. Watch, all I gotta do is go down. On this tree stump. My rod back there. Wow, look at this. Should have did this before. Alright, chill. Open your gill. I freaking got him, guys. Look at that. Right in the mouth. Look at that. Venom lures. Oh my gosh, I'm taking this up to the camera. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this up to the camera and show you guys. Thank God nobody stole my camera here. Oh. Here we go, guys. My first ever. I think this is my first ever. Milwaukee River carp on a Ned rig. Hit the water. You guys are gonna see this. I literally cast it blindly, and my rod just started buzzing. I literally was this close to losing my rod. I had to go around that tree. That was the most hectic thing I've ever done in my life, and most painful. I got like 40 sticks in my leg, but look at that. I mean, this is a tenth of the size of what's down there. This buddy's gonna grab a picture over here for me. You wanna grab a picture for me? Yeah. All right, guys. Here we go. Getting the release. All right, guys. We're gonna get the release here. Sorry, my hair looks like doo-doo. There he goes. That was insane. That was literally insane. I don't know if I can do that with a 50-pounder. I mean, that thing was literally probably a sixth of the size that I'm seeing. I mean, like, oh my gosh. I don't know where that guy came from, but he just came up and annihilated it. Sorry, you guys can't see me right now. My bad. I'm so tired. I almost lost my St. Croix 3 times. Go catch some more, baby. All right, well, thanks again for the picture, man. Good talking to you. Yeah. You too, man. What a nice guy. All right, guys. I don't know if I want to try that again. I got my fight in for the day. That was epic. Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude today's video. It was short and sweet. Was not expecting to find carp. It was just going to be a smallmouth vid, but I decided, you know, why not target these freaking river monsters. I mean, they grow so freaking big in here, and they just fight so hard. And sorry that it's real dark. Hold up. There we go. Yeah, I know my hair looks like trash. I'm going to get a haircut actually right now. But yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't worry, this is it was just a quick little outing. Friday and Saturday, you know, the end of this week. I don't know what days yet, but the end of this week I'm going to be out muskie fishing with some real gear, you know, slinging for some monster freaking muskies. You know, the audio probably sucks. Why did I do the outro over here? Hold up. Alright, that's probably a little better. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said, short, sweet little outing. Some super cool content getting filmed coming your way shortly. I should have this video out. You probably don't need to know that because you'll be watching it. With all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys will leave a like down below. Hit the big red subscribe button for those of you guys that are new. Hit the gray bell next to it that notifies you guys when I post a brand new video. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.